How do you add decimals? Let's learn. The position of the decimal point is the most important while adding or subtracting decimals. Let's take an example. Add 2.30 and 0.016. Here are the steps. Align one number below the other so the decimal points of both are aligned. Add a 0 to the first number, 2.30, so that both numbers are like decimals. Remember, adding zeros at the end of a number to the right of a decimal point does not change its value. An optional next step is to add 0 before decimal to the second number. Now that we have it correctly aligned, proceed with the addition of decimals. Addition is from right to left. Let's take another addition question. We have to add 1.007, 2.6, and 0.3. Is the addition written the right way? No, it isn't. Can you say why? Let's try a different way. Is it aligned properly now? Nope. Can you say why? Remember, the decimals points of the numbers have to be aligned one below the other for you to be able to add the numbers correctly. The next step? Add zeros to make them like decimals. Now you can go ahead and add. There you have it. That's how you add the decimal numbers. So, how do you subtract decimal numbers? Subtraction of decimals is similar to addition, with the same set of rules and precautions. Take this example. While subtracting decimals, again, you have to take care the decimal points are aligned one below the other. Once they are aligned, add zeros to make the two numbers like decimals, which is having the same number of decimal places. Now you can subtract normally. Today we covered how to both add and subtract decimals. Keep learning. Stemkit Conceptual Maths, Grade 4.